Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's Google Finance tutorial, I'll be showing you how to view the annual revenue of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. Understanding annual revenue is really important because it helps you see the overall financial performance of a company, track growth trends, and analyze how effectively a business is generating sales over time. Once you open Google Finance, start by selecting a stock or a company of your choice. For this demonstration, we'll use Apple, ticker symbol APPL. Click on the stock to open its detailed view. Scroll down to the bottom to the Financials section, where you'll see three main options: Income Statement, Balance Sheet, and Cash Flow. Make sure Income Statement is selected. From here, you can toggle between quarterly and annual data. Go ahead and select Annual to view the annual revenue. Now, once you're on the annual page, you can see the annual revenue by looking at the graph in the stats displayed below. You can also explore the revenue numbers for previous years, which will give you an idea of the company's growth over time. Just watch the numbers and compare them across years to get a full picture of Apple's financial performance. Annual revenue is a key metric for investors and analysts because it can help identify patterns, evaluate profitability trends, and understand market performance. By reviewing these numbers regularly, you can make more informed investment decisions and better track business growth. And that's it. Very simple and straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps you understand how to check the annual revenue of a stock or a company on Google Finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.